So today I'll be showing you how to connect an Ethernet cable to your MacBook. Now, of course, if you have one of the older MacBooks, then they will have an Ethernet port to just plug in the cable. But for most of these newer MacBooks, they do not have Ethernet port. So what they do have is Type-C ports, plenty of them. So you can use an Ethernet to Type-C adapter like this one. So this particular one is a dedicated Ethernet to Type-C adapter. Or you can use an adapter like this one, which has multiple connection points. So you can connect HDMI, USB devices, SD cards, and also it has uh, an Ethernet port that you can use to connect your Ethernet cable to your MacBook. So depending on your specific use case, you can use either of these options. Now, for this specific video, I'm gonna use this one, okay? Because that's all I wanna do today. So what you need to do is simply connect the Ethernet cable into the adapter like that, simple as that, and then the Type-C port of the adapter into a free Type-C port on your laptop or on your MacBook. Now once you do that, when you unlock your computer, you might see allow accessory to connect. What you need to do is simply connect, uh, or rather click on allow, and that's going to connect. Now once that is connected, even if you go ahead and turn off Wi-Fi like I'm going to do right now, you should have internet connection on your computer. You can tell by simply looking at the adapter. It should have the Ethernet lights blinking like this one. And also, if you try and load a page on a browser, for instance, I've just opened up Chrome. Let's load this our web page or our channel page, and you can see it loads right up even though I have Wi-Fi turned off. That means we are currently using wired internet via the Ethernet cable. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. If you have any comments or questions, feel free to talk to us in the comment section. Good luck.